Hello everybody, this is Katerina. Welcome to Katya Beauty Style channel, and today I'm gonna introduce you brand new foundation from Claire de Faux. Which one? I not just like it, I love it. It's so beautiful on my skin. And today we are gonna use some Trish McEvoy products, which one I like too. This is Look BOBBI. Very simple, very quick. Again, it's fall. I hope you like this look. If you like it, please watch my video, comments below. Love you all. Today I decided to bring you one of my Trish McEvoy like small size planner. I think this is actually probably medium size planner. What I like about, because my family tell me, Mom, your makeup everywhere. It's a perfect for people how like I am. I'm very messy. Makeup everywhere, but Trish McEvoy planner, basically it's a little makeup bag, makeup planner where you customize what color, what shade you wanna use. I have here transparent powders, and I have a bronze with highlighter here. On another page, and it's a magnetic page, I have a little mirror here. I have blush, I have 4 eyeshadow, smaller size, and I also have a large size of eyeshadow. This I like about Trish McEvoy. Also I have her instant eye lift, I have your eyeshadow primer, I have mascara, and it's lips and cream blush together. I also really like her eyebrow products, and it's a brown mascara. Okay, today we're gonna use for my eyes Trish McEvoy, and it's gonna be softer, very beautiful eye look, and of course simple. Let's start. My first step, I'm gonna use primer from Bobbi Brown. It's a Radiance finish primer, and we do have 35 SPF. Put in very small amount, little bit melt product on my hand, and I just pressing to my skin. This is how I like to apply the most my skincare products. Okay, then now I'm gonna use brand new foundation. It's a newest foundation from Claire de Faux. Yes, Claire de Faux sent me this foundation for free to my home. Thank you, Claire de Faux. It's supposed to, actually, let me read. Radiance Fluid Foundation Matte. It's not make sense to me, matte and radiance together, but I need to try before I say anything. 20 SPF, long wearing. Also, if you have a large pores, this is supposed to be a good foundation. I'm not sure what coverage here, full coverage, a light coverage, or medium, but I will try in front of you and I will let you know. Beautiful bottle. It is not cheap. This is it's $130. Yes, I deserve. But let's try and see how I like it. Okay, let's put just, this is Bobbi Brown foundation brush. You know, it's one of my favorite brush. I'm gonna put, oops, 2 pump. 1, 2, 3, and let's see. Okay, feels amazing. Wow, to me it looks like it's a full coverage foundation, but what I like it's actually give me nice beautiful glow. I will not say it's matte because my skin really looks like glowing right now, but you never know. Maybe when I finish this, my skin will absorb all this moisture and foundation will become a matte. Foundation looks beautiful. I am very impressed. Yes, it's not cheap, but color, how it sits in my skin, and finish, it's incredible. Yes, to me this foundation, if you have $130, it's worth all this money. I like how it feels, I like how it looks, and like, it's just unspeechless. Beautiful foundation. Love Clarity Pore foundation. First step, it will be Trish McEvoy eyeshadow primer, and it's color Berry, and I'm gonna use this beautiful cream brush from Trish McEvoy number 66. Okay, I'm gonna apply on entire my eyelid. After eyeshadow primer, I'm gonna use this beautiful eyeshadow color Shelf, and I'm gonna apply close to my eyebrow. It's a matte color, just to set your eyeshadow again base. Who know me, I always do eyes very simple, even simple for me, but I still hear from you, oh my god, Katerina, it's so hard. No, I truly try really easy for you. I don't do like 6 or 7 or 2 eyeshadows on my eyelid, usually 2, 3, right? No, 4. Now I'm gonna use another color, and it's a Glamorous Gold. It's a little bit like a shimmery gold color, but it's not like too shimmer. It's very soft. And I'm gonna use another brush from Trish McEvoy, and it's number 64 cream blender, actually blending brush, but I'm gonna use this beautiful gold soft eyeshadow. Also, when you're using softer color, and if you ever mess like you did do something wrong with eyeshadow, it's not gonna look obvious. This is, if you knew, it's a perfect video for you. Again, very pretty, give me nice beautiful pop. I hope you like my videos. Please comment below and let me know what you want me to show you, what video you would like to see from me. I want to know what I actually miss and what are you looking and I'm not yet show you. After this gold eyeshadow, now I'm gonna use color Cafe Latte. It's like more like a brownish color, and I'm gonna start from my bottom, and I will go up. It's very soft brown. Now I'm gonna use, I have right now this color Cafe Latte on entire my eyelid, but can you see it's not perfect, right? I have a big blending brush from Lancôme, and now I'm gonna just blend. Blending, it's very important. It's important step when you're using, of course, any eyeshadow. Look at just right now I blend, and whereas it's no blend, right? It's a big difference. This is why you should always have a blending brush. And let's do now another eye. I'm gonna use another brush, and I'm gonna apply again this brown color, just a little bit more on the corner of my eye. Blend again. That's it. Looks beautiful. Let's do another eye. Now I'm gonna use another Trish McEvoy eyeshadow, and its name White Peach. I'm gonna use close to my eyebrow, and I'm gonna use on corner of my eye. Very pretty, nice, beautiful pop. And again, let's use very close to my eyebrows to give me this beautiful lift. Now I'm gonna use another eyeshadow from Trish McEvoy. It's very like a brown, very deep, like a red undertone brown, and it's definer deep aubergine. Also I'm gonna use very small tiny brush from Trish McEvoy, and it's an angle brush. And I'm gonna apply very soft this color close to my eyelashes, like liquid eyeliner, but it's not a liquid eyeliner, this is just eyeshadow. Look at one my eye with this soft look, and another where it's not yet this powder eyeliner. Basically eyeshadow but very deep color. Same this dark color I'm gonna use on the bottom eyelashes. Now let's blend corners. To finish this look, I'm gonna use 3 products. I'm gonna use Lancôme conditioner primer, then I'm gonna use Charlotte Tilbury new mascara, and it's Plush of Lashes. It's a beautiful mascara, volume, good separation and curling. But to finish, I'm gonna still use Trish McEvoy mascara for some reason. I love this mascara, high volume mascara, use on the bottom of my lashes because how small and tiny brush. And also I like to finish my top eyelashes for some reason. Sometimes mascara leave a mark under my right here basically, and this mascara, because it's a special formula, will never make your mascara run or smudge. I'm done with my eyes, and my eyes really pop. This gold color make my eyes really blue. Love it. Okay, next step, of course, we're gonna use concealer, we're gonna use powder, blush, and little more extra steps to finish, right? I'm gonna use Trish McEvoy Instant Eye Lift, very little amount under my eye. 1, 2, 3. Just to brighten my eye area. Big difference, right? I hope you like this look. I hope it's easy. Please let me know what do you want me to use in my next video, what products or what technique. After concealer, I'm gonna use a powder and transparency powder from Trish McEvoy, and I'm gonna use this beautiful bronze. I really actually like this. It's like bronze, and it's two color, little one softer, and this is it's a little bit more deep color. But I love this bronze, and I really like texture quality of this bronze. Again, big brush I'm using right now just to set my Claire Depot foundation, which one I really like it. And now I'm gonna use blush brush from Trish McEvoy, and I'm gonna use this for my bronze, and I'm gonna mix these two colors together. From my ear close to my lips, just halfway, and close to my hairline. Now it's time for blush, and it's color Natural. Because it's fall, I apply a little bit more blush. And always remember, you have little bit leftover blush, you will apply right here to connect your eye with your blush. For my eyebrows, I'm not gonna use today any eyebrow pencil. I'm gonna use Trish McEvoy mascara. It's a long wearing mascara for brow, and it's color Natural Brunette. I actually really like it. Yes, I can feel a little bit right here with pencil, but just mascara. This mascara, it's keep my eyebrows beautifully and nice, beautiful shape. And if sometimes you do not want to use any pencil, it's a beautiful product for your eyebrows. I don't know about you, but I really like how my eyes look. They look so beautiful. Love Trish McEvoy eyeshadow. And again, you can choose color, which one you like. This is why it's like Trish McEvoy, it's one of the best brand. You can choose what color you like. You don't buy just one palette. You choosing this for your light colors, this color you want for your dark colors. But this combination of like gold and brown looks beautiful on my eyes. I'm really happy. For my lips, I'm gonna use Lancôme lip liner. It's a waterproof lip liner, and it's color Ideal. And for my lips, it's Trish McEvoy product, and this is its product Beauty Booster Lip and Cheek Balm. You can use for your lips, you can use this for your cheek. I personally prefer more powder blush, but if you like cream blush, this can be your lipstick and blush together. I really like this look, which one I create for you. I'm telling you, I'm very happy. You know, sometimes you make it and I'm like it's okay, but today I'm very happy. I think it's one of my look which one I really like, and I'm enjoying this look. Please follow me on Instagram or Facebook, and I really wanna know from you what next video, what products you want me to use for you. Okay, I hope I will see you soon. Happy holidays, happy Halloween. I love you all. Bye.